A very easy and scoring topic in English grammar. What is a compound word? Let me start by telling you some silly jokes. One-line silly jokes. When do bad days fall apart? The answer is daybreak. Where do astronauts go when they get married? Yes, they go on their honeymoon. And why did Mr. Silly feed grass to his pet frog? Because he wanted his pet frog to be a grasshopper. Now, all the three answers, the grasshopper, honeymoon, and daybreak, are examples of compound words, which are combination of two or more words as a single unit. Separate words, honey and moon, meaning different. But when they come together, they form a very different meaning altogether. Examples are like the rain and a bow, which give you rainbow, star and fish, which gives you starfish. Compound words are generally made up of two nouns. For example, cheese and cake, both nouns, and give you another word which is cheesecake, also a noun. Compound words can also comprise or be made up of other parts of speech. For example, a verb and a noun. The verb is play and a noun is ground. So you get the compound word playground. There can be a combination of adjective and noun. A describing word, hot plus dog, which gives you something totally different, which is a hot dog. Compound words can be of three types. We have open compound words, closed compound words, and hyphenated compound words. Closed compound words are formed when two fully independent, unique words, differently meaning words, are combined. For example, bullfrog, snowball, mail plus box gives you mailbox, skate plus board gives you skateboard, and of course grasshopper, sunflower, moonlight. If you separate them, you will find two separate meanings, and when they come together, they get a completely new word. They are called close compound words because they are two words joined together without space or anything. These are some other examples of closed compound words. Open compound words are formed when two words remain separate. So now we are not joining them together, but they are separate and are used to create a new idea with a. For example, peanut butter. They are separate words, but you know what they mean. Okay, Boy Scouts coming together. They remain separate, but they are creating a new meaning. Now, boy meaning something else, scouts meaning something else, but when they come together, they mean something else. Ice has a separate meaning, cream is a separate meaning. But when they come together with a space in between, not as joined words, they form a new thing called ice cream. Okay, so open compound words are formed when two words they remain separate. So the main thing is that they remain separate but are used like the closed compound words to create a new word which means something different. Some more examples of open compound words, very common: cell phone, jigsaw puzzle, living room, words that go together. Living meaning something else, room is something else, but a living room is a different meaning altogether. The third type of compound word is hyphenated compound words. Now these are formed again when two separate words, here also they are separate words, but they are joined together by a hyphen. A hyphen is a small dash like this. Okay. So the examples are like check-in, merry-go-round, father-in-law, mother-in-law, number 72, over the counter, up to date, sugar-free, thought-provoking. Okay, so this is the third type of compound word. Pick out the compound words from the following sentence. My grandfather is coming home for the holidays. Yes, grandfather, closed compound word. I really want peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Open compound word. And here, she is a part-time teacher, hyphenated compound word. And I'm sure you can pick out the rest by yourself. How many compound words can be made from a specific root word? Let us see what is this root word. Now here, the root word is day. So from this root word, I have made daybreak, daydream, daylight and daytime. So we can make many compound words out of a root word. Wash, washroom, washcloth, and you're going to add to these words. Some other words are wood, compound words wood, fire, hair and grand, where now you're going to add some words to it to make them compound words. Make as many compound words as you can using the following words. The word is down and foot. So you can use the word downfall, okay, and football, barefoot. So the word, the word which is given here can come at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word. Okay. So make at least 5 compound words using down and foot. The difference between open compound words and collocations like compound words are 2 words put together. Now the difference between them is that the compound words are usually 2 or more nouns put together to create a new noun, something new. Okay, like rain plus bow gives you something totally different, which is a rainbow. Whereas collocations are phrases created with 2 or more words that are associated together. For example, heart attack. Okay, so heart attack is not a new word. Heart and attack, so they come one after the other, and those are example. Compound nouns are electric fan, ice. Collocations would be I am terribly sorry, well aware, fast asleep, wide awake. Now fast asleep, wide awake, these are not things that make new things. They are not new words that are formed. They are just words that go behind one behind the other. Often there is a confusion between compound words and collocations. Compound words, 2 words joined together or separate to form a new word with a new meaning. Whereas collocation is just one word following the other, the meaning is the same. There's no new word is formed. Okay, you can use this now after you finish to see if you can put this puzzle together.